Daddy Gio, shame on all of you. Shame. Ooh. Papa, so G, Daddy Gio, Mommy Gio, Big Papas, all of you, shame.
Hey, my people. This video one I just watch finish, so I go put her for now. As I see this video now, I say no, make I bring her. Even like say our people don't they understand though. If you see how this girl take give her woto. Daddy Gio, Mommy Gio, Sister Gio, Brother Gio, he give them woto. Not be small thing, yo. Una know say the economic for Nigeria get as it be. Now everywhere, not be only Nigeria. Now everywhere. But the thing, he can't vex this girl. Now she come out. He can't give them woto. Why they know they talk about the economy of Nigeria? Why they know even they chook mat put? Now only how to collect money. Now only how to say come and do free. If you not bring free, you not go enter heaven. My people, ask me whether they don't even know the road to heaven. Ask me whether they don't fair die before. Ask me whether they don't fair die before. They don't enter that heaven before. Hey! My people, it be like say they don't they open eyes, oh. It be like say their eye don't they open small. Now small, maybe with time they go understand, say, all this Christianity, pastor, this one, my Daddy Gio, my Mommy Gio, they go know, say, na business, na they do. Now then, they will come know, say, so now just they like collect our money. Now, see, I did water, not be here. I go put the whole video. I go still put another video because the economic of our country, we fair no say don't bend. That country, they say go better. We will not know when it go take better. When? The time when me small, now they say go better. The time when my mama small, they say go better. Me, I call the old now, they say go better. When it go take better? Since 1960, now we get independent. Now we still dating next tomorrow. Road not good. Today they go say na road then they do. Next tomorrow they go say na the other one then they do. We not get light. Nothing good for that country. Now then you foresee some people they'll come say, if you odd finish for abroad, make you carry your team, make you go sit down for the country. Oh, sometimes how they laugh. If the country good, everybody go wrong go. Not be you go come tell people say at your old age you need to go back. Now old age, now you need all this medicine, doctor, gbogbo control this one. The people were there for inside there. They defend the way we want to jack back on this side. You were there, you want jack back go. If it good, problem not there. Not be you say every blessed day with the year this different thing, different. It not great good. Then you come for here, come jack back go. Now this our sister verse, the thing verse and not be small thing. He give them woto. That the Jew Mommy Gio or the Gio where be say they get their private jets. That they eat. They don't even know whether the economic, whether it bend, whether it's straight. It don't concern them. Because why? Now this our people, now they carry their money, then they carry go give a pastor, this one now yo. Where therefore they see the God, where they give the money. Now not they ask on themselves. Where therefore see the come present this one and the offering where this so person bring call. Where therefore they say, now not they ask on themselves. Even like so now not they wake us small. Now small. Because Oyibo na tell us say Christianity, they not carry and put for head, come and buy here. Our people they can't use until they do business. They can't use until they wash people heads. It be like say this economy where we say can they bend so. If they open some of our people eyes. Be like say they open their eye because the way where this guy take give them woto. He not look back, he not look front. He said no of them. They talk about the economy. He said no concern them because I go concern them. They are all children they for abroad. If you know they give them money, they go they carry the money. Go they give their children for abroad. Their children go they enjoy for on their heads. Una go they cry so una not see. Una not see gari. If you not see gari, una not see granite. If you not see ebe, una not see egg. Una not see soup. Na. Till una go wise, una go know say all these people then they use una. Then they use una. Make I put the video, my people. As I watch her, the thing come they sweet me for body. I say, it be like say una don dey wake us small because una supposed to know say all this church everywhere, church there, it's a business. Me, if you just wake up now, I'll say I get business. I'll say I get a church. Now business, it's a business. Or they go come go bring money put for them. I go use until they flex. Now una go they cry. What you concern me? They could watch this video. I be to learn and like and share for other people to see. Say our people be like say they don't they wake us small. That the Gio say, Mommy Gio say, na bye.
Daddy Gio, shame on all of you. Shame. Ooh. Papa, so Daddy G.O, Mommy G.O, Big Papas, all of you, shame. Shame. Because you can still afford your meal to eat. You don't want to talk about it. But now, still us go struggle. From that small one, go still conquer and go and give offering. Can't give tithes. Even one popular pastor say if you no pay tithes, you no go heaven. If you no pay tithes, you no go heaven. Now I don't reach time where you talk say even one that same particular pastor talk say Tinubu na Father Abraham. What a shame that the Jews. Shame to you pastors. Nobody is talking about it. If it's they do miracle happen, they no do miracle happen. Miracle fake, you know be fake. All of you come out and start defending nonsense. All of you come out and start defending rubbish. Now talk about the country where you are. The country, your Nigeria, your own country. None of you is talking anything about it. It's to come outside and do holier than thou. No, na they holy pass. Maybe when a girl dress somehow now, it becomes a national topic. Now this one is a national topic. None of you is talking anything about it. It's to come and tell us to come and stream your early morning be with God. Come and share your grace with God in the morning. Use that platform, that early morning, to talk about the government. Say something. No, you guys do not say anything. You're waiting for us to come and join your live stream on YouTube, or come and join your live stream on Facebook, come and join your live stream on TikTok for your own personal gain. None of you is talking anything bad about the government. Come outside and say something, because if you remove the poor masses from your church, nobody's in your church. I tell you this. If you remove the poor masses from your church, nobody's in that your church. You might think the 10 naira is small. Minus it for 1 month, 1 year, 6 months. Remove those people, the masses from your church. I bet you, nobody's in that your church. Nobody's making that church blue. Nobody's making that your church trend. It's still the poor masses. And none of you is talking anything about it. Shame on you people. Shame. Shame. Total shame on you guys. You guys have nothing for the masses. You people are just about, people just care about what you guys can gain. I was expecting that the GOs that have the platform to come outside and say, okay, all right, the government is this, do this. Nobody's talking about it. Talk about the big churches, mega churches. I'm talking about mega churches. Nobody is talking anything about it. They'll see it is a trend now to run and pass. It is high time we stop all this holy and thou. In fact, all of now they live exotic lifestyles. But nobody cares about the masses. You guys are selfish. Shame. Shame. I say it again. Shame.
That girl, that Miss Rita, when come and say things they expensive, she no lie. That woman, when you say you dare government because you they see money, big money, they say your helps market. Not me say people when they cry every day for social media, they don't know what that they do. We they look unto God, may God they give us food every day. You get breasts for chest as a woman. Say sorry for Nigeria women. Things are expensive in the market. That small pikin just come and cry. Now that woman just sit down, they make noise. See almighty fish, 6,000 naira. Crayfish, this small one, 3,000. See small rice when one cook for the children, 6,000. See yam, 4,500. See 4,000. Salt 1,500. Tomatoes and pepper 4,000. I bet all free more than the shame.